Hey everybody, it's another milsurp, and this is not a milsurp. I'm sorry. Today I have something different. I just got in the mail. I was on the gun runner auction, and along came a Frontier Rifle. And a Frontier Rifle is something I've been wanting to get a hold of for some time now. When I was growing up as a teenager up in New Jersey, I convinced my father to allow me to get a Frontier Rifle kit out in Pennsylvania. And I built it. I blued the barrel, finished the stock, and I love that rifle. And somehow over the years it went missing. That's a long story, but been looking for a replacement for a real long time at a good price. And I was on the gun runner auction and managed to bag this one for 160. So I'm very happy with that. So I'm going to go ahead and unbox it and take a look and see what I have here. I had a lot of fun shooting that rifle on my grandfather's farm in Tennessee. I would bring it down and black powder. It was a lot of fun. It's a lot of work, especially cleaning the rifle. I have a lot of good memories doing that. And this is a nice replacement. The only thing I didn't really care for, and it's not a big deal, is the stock. It's a little on the light colored side. But I can always refinish the stock. So I don't know if any of you are familiar with Gun Runner, but they do a great job packing. And as you can see, they go all the way with a triple wrapped and bubble wrapped, and then you got the little whatever they call these. But anyway, I don't want to take a lot of time cleaning this up. These will come in handy for one day when I might have to ship a rifle off. So I'll save all this packing material in the box. You never know when you might want to sell one of these or trade it. Now let's clean this up real quick. I have to learn how to figure out how to speed up these videos for things like this. Still working on stuff like that. I'm kind of new to this, making videos. I'll take some time to learn more about it. But yeah, no, this isn't military surplus, but I thought y'all might be interested in seeing what I have here. So go ahead and... Ooh. That probably doesn't sound good on the mic. So we'll just go ahead and cut. Oh, this knife is sharp. This is like the best wrapping I've ever seen. Packing, I should say. I think this is the third rifle I've gotten through Gun Runner. Alright. Throw that aside. Let's see what we have here. Oh, yeah. It's Connecticut Valley Arms CVA Frontier Rifle 50 caliber, made in Spain. Yeah, the only thing they did in the description, they did note that there's some scratches on the barrel. And but that's that's okay, because I'm just gonna have fun shooting this. This is a shooter for me. I bought another black powder rifle and gun runner that I showed the unboxing video on the channel, and it's a really nice. That was a really nice rifle with a tiger stripe maple stock. It's almost like too nice to shoot, so I haven't shot it yet. This I will shoot. This will be the shooter, and I'll have fun with it. I don't have to worry about getting it banged up. Take it hunting, and yeah, I could refinish the stock and make it nice cherry, like the one I had growing up. And yep, seems to work. Oh, nice. Brings back memories. No, it's not an antique. It's not a fine collectible, but it's something that I'll have a lot of fun with. And 50 caliber. Should the cleaning rod here, or not the ramrod cleaning rod. Yeah. Sight's intact. Nice. Oh, there you have it. Take a closer look. New addition to the collection. This collecting things, sometimes I wonder if I have a problem. Right, what are you gonna do, right? Just keep collecting. It's not that bad a habit, is it? Nah, there are far worse habits. Nice thing about this habit is you can, I mean, with the way guns have gone up so much in price, you can really, do pretty well selling, making a profit when that time comes. But anyway, there you have it. My Frontier Rifle replacement for the one I had growing up. And if you like the video, and you want to support the channel, please feel free to subscribe. Greatly appreciate it, and give us a thumbs up. Thank you, and have a great evening.